Rah'tah. Welcome back to my channel, and today we have a Zara unboxing or semi-unboxing. I already opened it up to see what it looked like. I got this a couple weeks ago. Y'all know the box, y'all know the vibe. When you see this box come in, I never ordered a handbag from Zara, so it came like this. You open it, it's like this. So this is how it looked. I have not carried it or anything. It's just literally been here. It came in a little dust bag. It says Zara on the front. So you guys know that I love mini bags, and so surprise, I have a cute little mini bag. This is so cute. You guys, I love the color. I'm not sure which color. I feel like it's coming up a little bit brighter on camera, and I do have a ring light behind me, so it's maybe making it look a little bit more brighter than what it is, but it's more of a hunter green color. So I thought this was really cute. It is leather. I love the quilted, like puffiness of it. I just love that quilted design, and I like the little chain. It's super cute. And I also thought that maybe I could add another chain onto this, kind of like to make it a crossbody. It's really cute. It's just like a cute little dinner going out bag. It's just so cute. So anyways, let's look inside of it. So it has the magnetic closure here, which appears to be rather strong. So look, I'm gonna open it here and then watch. So I thought that was pretty cool. Like, look, I'll do it again. Anyways, so it's really, so I thought that was something, but it's a tag. So it's relatively small on the inside. You just have the little Zara patch in there. Yeah, there's no like inside pocket. So you really are gonna be carrying the essentials. So it does have on the tag that it's leather. It's made from high quality leather. Any creasing or irregularities are natural features of the leather, which makes each piece unique. Okay, Zara. It was $69.90. So just to show you guys comparison, this is what it looks like in comparison to the wallet, the Tammy clutch that I have. So I've been carrying this Tammy clutch bag, but I thought this was cute, and I thought it would be kind of cool to see like what fits inside of it. So I've been carrying this around, and so I did bring some things down. Oh, these are, so y'all, I was carrying a bigger bag this weekend, so I kind of like was carrying this and this because I had this in a tote bag too. So anyways, long story. And then I was just kind of like carrying this whenever I got out of the car, but I really still had all this stuff in here. So I'm gonna let's see what actually fits in here, like my essentials, and then let's see what actually fits in this bag. So I'm gonna just open up my bag, and I'm just gonna kind of like, so let's see what's in here, because I never remember from day to day what I have in these bags. So I have my Vaseline lip therapy in here, receipts. I think y'all have seen this, so we're gonna set this to the side. Sanitizer, card, wallet, which some perfume. Okay, so I'm gonna set that right there. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna need my wallet, right? So I mean, I could take a couple cards out of here, but let's just put it in here just to see how that would fit in there. I have my sanitizer because I'm not going, this is a non-negotiable. I have some lip gloss. Let's see, that fits in there. And then if there's anything, okay, so I'm not gonna be able to take my mints. I am taking my earbuds though, because we need these. We need these, ladies. Okay, so we're gonna put the earbuds, we're gonna stuff the earbuds in there. So far this is what it's looking like. Key holder, this key holder is not gonna go in there, and it's not a necessity. I have this MAC spray, that's not a necessity. Okay, so I think I pretty much have, and I might, you know, y'all, because y'all know I love my lip gloss. I think I'm gonna put this in there. This is actually what I'm wearing now, so we're gonna put that in there. And I think, and then I'm gonna have to have some room to get my phone in here, and I do have it. Let's see if it closes. Oh, see, it's not even closing. I might take this out. I think we're gonna take this out. Okay, so let's see how it closes with all the stuff in there. Okay, let me check it out and see if I can take out just like 2 cards and see how that is. Cards in here. Let's just see if it closes better that way. Okay, get some perfume in here. Okay, because we like to be cute with our perfume. Okay, there we go. So a lot of times people do have their phone just walking around on it anyways. But let's see, I mean, you would be able to probably get a phone in there just depending on the size that you have. I mean, I have the iPhone 12 Pro. I was trying to like hold it up because I'm filming on my phone now. I think I could get it in here. Yeah, it would be a tight squeeze. Let me check, hold on. So here's what we did. I used the case. We're gonna use the case as a measurement to see if I can get my iPhone 12 in here and if it will close because it fits in here. So let's put the case in here. It's kind of like a tight squeeze. I mean, now it wraps around this. Let me see if I can get some more space in here because that's how it looks. But I mean, this really pretty much for the aesthetic. Like how the bag is, like carrying the bag. It's small, y'all. It's small. I'm gonna show you guys the comparison of it to a wallet. This, see that? That's all in all, I think this is like a cute bag. You guys let me know what you think. Do you think I should keep it or not? All right, so I wanted to insert this really quick, y'all. I just found out that I can put my Coach chain on here and make this into a crossbody. So if you were thinking about getting this bag, just know that you can add your Coach chain on here. And cute. I'm not like dressed nice, so but look how cute that is, right? Like how cute. I'm just wearing some leggings. Oh, it's a little wobbly. I thought that was super cute. To my mom, and she thought it was, I don't know if I showed it to my sister. She was here last weekend. I don't think she saw this bag. So now I'm gonna have to get her opinion too. My mom thought it was super cute. Like my mom is definitely a lady that loves purses, and I think I got that from her. Definitely my dad would buy her nice bags, and so definitely let me know your thoughts. I've never owned a Zara bag that I purchased. I did thrift a Zara bag, which I'll show you guys. It's a beautiful bag for summer actually, but I've never actually ordered one from the site. So definitely let me know your thoughts. If you own Zara bags, what's been your experience with Zara bags? I know Zara clothes are super popular, but I really don't see a ton of things about the bag. So definitely let me know. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. And thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great weekend.